Hello everyone, welcome back. Another day, another booster pack, another One Piece PRB booster pack that we're going to be opening. Trying to get that manga art or gold dawn cards. But whatever it is, as long as we're having fun, we're all good. Okay, trying to open this. Trying to get that dawn card in the back so we can all get surprised what we got. Get the gold dawn, but anything else? Let's do this. Bro, remember this episode? Nice. Oh, this guy. Oh. Pika. Oh, this is a Marine Ford. Meppo with straw hat hologram. Cody Jones. Nice art. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? Got an SR? What could it be? Cody Jones. Wait, no, this is Cody Jones. This is sorry guys, forgot his name. Nice art, Cody Jones. Impale down and it's all good, all good. Shoots, models.